Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do mostly a review for you. This is a refurbished unit that I bought, refurbished Broadway Limited AC 6000. Now these, they don't have too many available. I go on the website every day for refurbished locomotives, and it's just a bag of silica to control the moisture. And I bought this as it came out right away because that's funny how that's stuck on there. I bought this right away because when they come out, you have to be quick. There was a Union Pacific one, and there was this one available. And the Union Pacific one was gone by 9 a.m. So I bought this one right away when I saw it. Let me just get the paper out. Oh yeah, this just comes out like that. I see, that makes sense. Just to protect the, I guess, the sunshades. That is a nice locomotive. So we'll have a look at the detail up close. Now, I already had a -9, an ES44, an AC 4400, but I did not have the AC 6000. So that is something new to me. I'll bring it up close so you can see. How do you like all these handrails here? That looks amazing. And these little pieces of foam, I keep them. When I put the locomotive back in its box, I will put them right back. That's obviously to protect the handrails. What I think would be fun to do is to have my Atlas -8 here handy. I would like maybe to take some still pictures and show you a close-up of all these little labels that they have on. Oh, they even put handrails in the back. That is very cool. I really enjoy all this extra detail. Now, if you go on other reviews, you will see, geez, I really like this handrail here. You will see, you know, scale trains, rivet counter, locomotives, which are even nicer. But this is nice. And there's room for 2 microphones down here. So this may sound great also. I bought the Broadway Limited Rolling Thunder, so this will have rich, deep bass. They always have the bass files in the memory, but you have to hook it up to a subwoofer to hear it. So I'm going to do some still shots of the close-up. And actually first I'll start with still shots of the Atlas. And then will be still shots of the AC 6000 from Broadway Limited. And you can compare them, see the details. They put enough detail on this that I'm pretty satisfied. There's a separately applied brake line over here, and in the front, the air hoses and ditch lights. And what else is interesting? Yeah, the roof has lots of good detail, and the horn looks very specific. Two exhaust ports. Also the back, everything's specific to this locomotive. No snow plow in the back, and they put a lot of underbody detail. They put like a lot. I especially like those two decals here. That is a nice touch. Lots of underbody detail. Even on the fireman's side, there's that bell that I like. So that is very cool. And the grill, although they are not photo etched, they still have a lot of detail in there. I like this back. This is very specific to this locomotive. And the paint is nice and sharp. So that is really cool. So let's go try it on the track. And now it's time to run some trains. Initial programming, so go program on the program track. Enter, and then standard. So it's a refurbished locomotive, should always do that. So 038 is the manufacturer number. That's good. Dakota version, Paragon 3. Set up short address, yes. 003 is good. Activate this address for sure. Long address 0629. 0629. Perfect. Activate this address, yes. And then everything else we'll just skip. Go ahead and skip. Skip that. And then escape. And then I think F9 is the startup. So I have the Rolling Thunder. It's not on yet. Everything seems to work well. Let's try moving forward. And switch direction. So everything's going well. Let's just turn on the Rolling Thunder. When I turn on the Rolling Thunder, just note that you need a subwoofer to hear this. On the TV or the phone, it's not so noticeable unless you have a subwoofer or a really good pair of headphones. It makes a lot of difference. Then let's go through the deceleration sequence. Shutdown is F9. So that's really neat, and actually, honestly, I like the sound. It's a lot of fun. Let's finish with some operation. I need to bring these 3 gravel hoppers down to the construction company and also pick up the empties. video. I certainly had fun making it for you.